I love putting pencil to paper and getting a more hands-on approach to art. Doing something really slowly and with care can really help with mindfulness. The first step is to choose which colouring sheet you would like to start on. You can choose whatever sort of resonates with you. So there is strong, growing and thankful. For me, colour is the most important element of my work, I would say. Colours have associations with different feelings and meanings, and it's sort of unapologetic. It is like a strong way to express yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun creating your artwork. You can download your own template at the Smiling Mind website.